Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, February 5th. Hope you guys have a great morning so far today. We got a couple items to go over, so let's jump right into it. Today we got ADP payroll. This is the first item for the jobs data that we'll see this week, so we'll get the ADP today. Tomorrow, of course, we get every week on Thursdays our weekly jobless claims, but on Friday would be the big report from the Bureau of Labor Statistics jobs data. So previous month, December, it came in 199,000, which was a good number here. But it came in a whopping 291,000 for the month of January. This was a lot of people are kind of projecting right around the 150 range. Same thing for Friday's numbers. They're kind of expecting in the mid, right around the 150. But with the number like this, they may be anticipating maybe a little higher number. So it's going to be interesting to see what the Bureau of Labor Statistics reports, because this is obviously a pretty hot number. Now we got a couple indexes providing us some insight into the services industry. So the first index we'll look at is the market services PMI for the month of January. So back in December, it was 52.8, and then both of these indexes, if you're above 50, is considered expansion or optimism. So both of these, as you can see, are all in optimism territory. And it increased in January to 53.4, which is obviously a good news that we're seeing a pickup in the services industry. ISM non-manufacturing index was in at 54.9 back in December, and forecasts calling for about a slight increase of 55% and an increase to 55.5. So overall, very good news here. We're liking the data, what we got received today. So all good news, which is obviously very good. The economy is doing really well. Stocks are up as a result, so they're kind of putting the coronavirus on the side. They're looking more at the corporate earnings, which have been pretty much upbeat. We got the data that came in, especially the jobs numbers, and then you had last night with the State of the Union talking about all these great things about the economy, and this just kind of reiterated what was said last night. But speaking of the coronavirus, there was some good news that hopefully some good news that came out. This sounds like there's some research that came out, perhaps also on the UK and China, that they may have found some vaccinations that possibly could be effective against the coronavirus. So that was a little optimistic report that came out. So hopefully we can get that under control. We've already lost approximately, the last report I've heard, about 490 people, and we have like over 24,000 people that are that have been experiencing it or are infected with it. So, but unfortunately, almost 500 people have died so far. Let's kind of move ahead here to the mortgage-backed securities. Mortgage-backed securities, we are down for the day. As you can see, we did test the floor of support. We are up though, but we're showing some weakness here. As we mentioned, we're getting that little trend reversal, showing a little weakness, but we are kind of strengthening a little bit. We're down about 3 basis points. So lenders should be about the same pricing as what we had yesterday. So the mortgage rates should remain unchanged from where we were yesterday. Here's yields. Yields have been climbing upwards a little bit. We're right up about 1.64 range. We were a little higher, as you can see here, but pulled back, scaled back a little bit here. And so again, we're about 1.64 range here. That's pretty much it for the day. If you guys are looking to buy or refinance and located in California, I'd love to talk to you guys. You can either reach me via DM, direct message me, or email me. And fastest response will be the email, because I'll get that much quicker. But I do respond to both. We can talk a little bit about your scenarios as to how, if you're looking to buy, what loan will be the best loan for you guys, as well as if you're looking to refinance. We can do a lot of different things in that terms as well. We provide a lot of solutions for homeowners where either debt consolidation, but we've also done stuff where we help them plan for college planning to retirement, stuff like that, where we can help them to structure their mortgage in a way that they can obtain or reach those other objectives in a much better way. So if you'd like to be able to talk about those with your scenario, please again reach out. We'll love to be able to talk to you further about it. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you with tomorrow's report. Bye-bye.